Welcome to your new home. Once you settle in, don't forget about your FIBARO system. Enjoy your selected smart home features that will help you upgrade your house with automatic, smart solutions. Free installation is included. Forget about a manual. Just make an appointment with one of our installers whenever you like. We know how busy you are, so we do our best to complete the installation as fast as possible. Depending on your package, it may take 1 or 2 hours. The installation is not only quick, but also non-invasive. That means no drilling or hammering, so that we avoid any inconveniences such as noise or dirt. Our installer will have all of the necessary equipment with him. The installation and configuration of each device is quick, clean, and quiet. Once he's finished, our installer will show you and your housemates how to use every device, from setting a comfortable temperature on your thermostat, through receiving notifications about alarms from the motion detector, to adjusting the lighting. FIBARO, Smart Home Experience.